Atumia kanitha wa Anglican ni makũngũire gũkinyaniria miaka 150 kuma rĩrĩa kĩũngano kĩa Mothers Union kĩanjĩrĩirio ni Mary Elizabeth Sumner kuma bũrũri wa England niguo mahote gwĩkũria.
Alianza ikiwa ni movement ya maombi kuombea wazee wakiwa kwa vita, wakati ulikuwa mgumu mno sana, na wamama waliachwa nyumbani na watoto na wakawa hawana namna na wakawa wamesongwa na mambo nyingi.
We celebrate this historic milestone with profound thanksgiving, acknowledging the faithful service of generations of Mothers Union members whose prayers, sacrifice, compassion, and commitment has shaped homes, nurtured children, and strengthened the church.
Hii siku inatukumbusha ya kwamba kila kitu tunaweza tukiwa akina mama.
Lazima tuonyeshane umuhimu ya kuwa wamama tunaweza na Mungu anatuwezesha.
Atongoria matiganite hamwe nao Minister wa Ugendi Rebecca Miano na Senator wa Nyandarua John Methunangi ni mahumbite riri igongona rĩrĩa rĩkũngũirwo kanitha-inĩ wa ACK Pro Cathedral Nyahururu. Muthikabu Samson Gachathi oete mweke ũcio kũhinyĩrĩria bata wa kũng'ethanĩra na ngũĩ cia kĩmũciĩ iria kaingĩ igũmagĩra atumia.
I would like to request that you partner strongly with the government through the Ministry of Gender, so that we have financial literacy, we have empowerment.
Congratulate atumia. Nande mwere inyo atumia. Inyo ende inyo kala sharuriri.
Future generation is in our hands. Our mothers gave us what we took from them. That is why we can stand here to say that God is Lord.
Alihora mutumia professional. Mundu utabira wake uteiro gutwa ujerio na agicommit gwika maundu excellent akihujia maundu make na kirigia maundu make utabira wake.
Oho no ahinyĩrĩirie bata wa kũrũmbũiya mwana wa kairĩtu niguo akũre na ũmĩrĩru. Ngiriboti Inooro TV kuma taũni ya Nyahururu gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.